ipangpakpak.
Good evening. Okay, good evening to our school administrator, Mr. Michael Angelo S. Magalso, our poblacion officials, spearheaded by Lendo Maximo Nazareno, our BOD PTA officers with Mr. Eduardo Principe, our dedicated teachers, supportive parents, students, and our bisita, mga guest karong gabihuna. Maayong gabi kanatong gabi karong maayong gabi pag-usab. Tonight, our hearts are overflowing with gratitude. First and foremost, we lift up our highest praise to God and our heartfelt thanksgiving to our beloved patron Saint San Roque, whose life of humility, healing, and service continues to inspire our school community. Allow me to extend my deepest appreciations to our talented students. Nindot kaayo manayaw atong mga bata with Max Surban, who poured their hearts into their offerings, and our supportive parents. To our choreographers, thank you for your guidance and your hard work behind the scenes. To our generous parents, our local community, for your presence tonight, with your unwavering support that made this tribute a memorable one. As we go home tonight, may the exemplary life of San Roque inspire us to show more compassion, kindness, and love to those around us. Thank you. Viva Señor San Roque!